Oh, hey. Is this the bus stop?
It is, yeah, you here? Because you're not supposed to film here on grounds, sir.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, well, it just depends on who you are and what you're doing.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not doing anything wrong, anything bad, for no weird reasons. I just, I like government facilities, especially I've never seen this one, so.
A man stopped by a government facility to record a few exterior shots out of curiosity about public buildings. As soon as he arrived, security approached him, asked why he was filming, and immediately requested identification.
Can I just see your ID real quick?
No, sorry.
You can't just walk on the ground, sir.
It said that this is a pedestrian walkway.
Yeah, but I mean, you really have to have a purpose to be here.
I do. I just wanted to get some shots of the facility, and that's all. And I wasn't going to go inside or anything. I know I'm not allowed to go inside, so.
Yeah. Well, I don't really want you filming me.
I understand. I'm not trying to cause any problems.
So let me see your ID.
Why?
That's one thing you can't deny when asking you for ID.
Oh, is that true?
Let me see your ID.
I'm not going to give you my ID.
Adam, 22, I'm out with one subject. He's failing to give me his ID in front of the bus stop. One male adult.
This isn't a public bus stop? Is this a public bus stop?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll just wait at the public bus stop. When does the public bus come?
I just don't want you filming. There's no reason to film me.
I mean, I record and document all police encounters that I come across.
I think that's great.
Interactions, you know?
I think that's great.
Okay.
That's fine.
So your best option is just to be polite, courteous, and you have been, except for asking for my ID. I haven't committed any crimes.
Listen, when you were on our property, I don't know if you read that sign.
I did.
I asked you for ID. I want to know who you are.
For sure. I understand why you would want to do that.
That's all. I mean,
let me assure you, I'm not a felon.
Okay, that's reasonable.
Okay. I don't have any weapons, so.
Yeah, but an officer asks you for ID. I'd like help.
Well, this is not a stop and ID state. California is not a stop and ID state. Well, this is a public bus stop.
Yeah, but
I'm not trying to cause problems.
Okay, then why won't you give me your ID?
Because I don't need to.
Request.
How you doing, sir?
What's going on?
Oh, not much. I just wanted to see your facility. I've never been here, and I'm interested in public facility, government facilities like this. So she told me that I'm not allowed to be here, or is that?
Well, I want to see your ID to see who you are.
Okay.
And we'll go to the next step.
It's not that you're not allowed to be here. We just need to verify that since you're on grounds, that you're okay to be on grounds, that you're not an ex-patient.
Not an ex-patient, not a felon,
So
never been in jail.
We need to clarify that.
Okay.
So that was.
So if a person is waiting for the bus, do they always get like kind of hassled, or is that?
No, we're not hassling you at all.
Okay.
We just wanted to verify and make sure that it's all, good for you to be here.
For sure.
I don't mind that you videotape and stuff. You just need to make sure that you're not, since you're not an employee, that you're not an ex-patient. They do come on grounds a lot.
Definitely not an ex-patient.
Well,
this is my first time being here.
This is the only way we'll be able to verify that is if we check your ID.
Okay, I'm not gonna provide my ID. I'm sorry. So if I don't do that, am I gonna be? I can't wait for the bus. Is that what's going on?
Oh, did the bus drop you off here?
No.
Oh, so you're really not waiting for the bus?
No, I was waiting for the bus. I saw the pedestrian walkway signs.
The city bus?
Yeah.
The city bus doesn't come on grounds.
Oh, okay. What bus comes on grounds?
This is a bus usually that will pick up patients that are getting out or for rideshare purposes.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Cool. Well, like I said, I'm not trying to cause problems. I just wanted to get some shots of the facility. I guess that's not allowed. I know inside's not allowed. I know that for sure.
Well,
and I'm not, because I read the signs.
Right. Well, sir, what is your main purpose for being here?
Well, I just told you, I'm here to document the facility, because I've never been here, and I'm interested in government facilities like this. I mean, look
Are there any questions we can ask for you? Filming?
Yeah. I didn't come prepared with that. I just honestly wanted to just get some shots of it. Is there a perimeter that the public is allowed to?
Just through, like in this area, and then the road, the parking lots are that way.
Okay.
But you can't go through anything.
Where's the point of that the public cannot pass?
The gates.
The gates.
Yep.
Okay.
This gate, around the facility, there's another gate. There's a bridge trellis. There's some trespassing signs.
Gotcha.
Over there too, so
okay.
Under the trellis.
Okay. Cool. cool. And can I get your name?
Sergeant Naranjo.
Sergeant
I had
Naranjo.
to remember. I called the public information officer to ask him to come talk to you.
Okay.
Maybe he can answer any of your questions.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely, like I said, everyone, I'm not trying to cause problems here. I have a camera. I like government
Fine.
facilities.
And since you're not going to provide us with your driver's license, we'll probably just make sure we keep an eye on you.
Okay.
For however long.
Understandable. That's 100% understandable.
Okay.
So,
And just remember next time too, if you come on grounds, it draws attention to you when you wear khaki on grounds, because that's what the patients wear.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. So it draws attention to you.
So, am I kind of free to go without being hassled, or?
Let me get Phil out here to talk to you.
Okay.
First, and then he can let you know what he thinks would be okay for you without it crossing the boundaries.
Understandable. I'll wait for Phil.
Okay.
Why don't you want to share your name? Why is it that you want to stay so private, but you want to have a camera and document everyone's name and all that stuff?
Because
I'm just curious.
No, that's fine. As a private citizen, we're entitled to that, you know?
Okay.
And like I said, retaliation would be my main cause for trying to be private. But if you want to know my YouTube channel, it's SLO County Observer. I do this a lot.
Do you have a car and you're going to drive around?
No, I'm not going to drive around. I walked up.
Okay.
I was seeing, first of all, if there was a public bus here.
Okay. No, there's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what the limit, where the restrictions are, where am I allowed, where's the public allowed to go and not go?
You're on state property right now. You're in a secure treatment facility.
Okay.
So that's what we have. We have police officers here for secure treatment
Gotcha.
facility. We don't have a problem with you going around the outside of the building. Just follow all normal laws that you have, the posted signs, the stuff like stops and everything else, and the speed limit here. You should be fine.
Okay.
And stuff like that. But you're not allowed to go into the lobby with
Understandable.
any filming. We try to, please stay away from like any security areas that you might breach any of our security areas and stuff like that.
Completely understandable.
All right.
Okay.
Perfect.
Awesome. And
Awesome.
you're Phil, and
I'm
you're
Phil.
the public sorry, I'm kind of
That's
sweaty,
okay.
man.
No problem.
And you're the public relations officer
Yeah,
for this
yeah.
department?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
If you need anything from me, give me a holler.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
And I'm gonna have some escorts, it looks like.
No, they won't scare you. You can go walk around. You should be fine. Just
Okay.
like that. If somebody says, "Hey, I don't want to be filmed," it might be a family member or something like that. Please just respect that.
For sure.
Respect that for their family's privacy.
The other thing too is you might get stopped or because you're wearing khaki too.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
you said,
that's the color that we don't allow.
Okay. For sure.
So if you ever do come on, if you could, just wear black pants or
Okay,
like
will do.
blue jeans. Blue jeans are perfect. I know prisons, they don't like blue jeans.
Okay.
Yeah, but you're fine here.
All right.
Just like that.
Well, thank
Good.
you for
Your name?
informing me. Just SLO County Observer.
So thanks, sir. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
Have a good day.
No problem. Hey, thanks for explaining everything and getting Phil out here. I appreciate it.
The officers tried to steer the interaction toward identity verification by suggesting he might be a former patient or a trespasser, hoping he would voluntarily explain himself or hand over his ID. But when he held his ground and refused to provide identification without reasonable suspicion, their tone quickly shifted from authoritative to explanatory. In the end, they acknowledged the correct legal standard. Filming outside in a public area is completely lawful. If you enjoyed this video, drop a number 5 in the comments.
Might have someone coming over here, I don't know. They're taking notice of me over there as they're walking past the bushes. Over back by the guard shack there. So see if they want to make contact. And it looks like he's on the phone with somebody now. Yep. He's calling someone, so we'll see what happens. And it looks like Newport Beach Police rolling up here. Somebody called the cops. Stay tuned, guys. Switching to my other camera right now. Let's see if they want to make contact. Here we go.
Ma'am, I'm off
Officer Cueva with the Newport Beach Police Department. How are
Hi.
you?
Good. How's it going?
Good. We're literally just here to keep the peace. You don't have to film me. I'm not gonna yell at you or anything like
Keep the
that.
peace. Why? What's going on?
What?
What's going on?
I'm just curious why you're filming the resort.
Oh, I'm not gonna say right now.
Is it for a video?
I'm not gonna answer any questions.
Is there any way that you can just?
Huh?
Is there any way that you can just go on your way so we can both, you know?
Is there any way that I could go on my way?
Yeah. Did they ask you to leave? I mean, you have every right to be here. But
Yeah. So then why would I need to leave? I'm busy working right now, and I'll be done when I'm done.
What do you do for work?
I'm not gonna answer any questions. No. Can I get your badge number, please?
Sure. It's 1590.
1590. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm not gonna answer any questions
Is there a reason you won't answer any questions?
because I'm not obligated to.
Okay. That's good.
Fair?
Are you filming for work?
I'm not gonna answer any more questions right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Because if I did, that would be helping you with your investigation,
Well,
correct?
this is no investigation. There's
Okay.
there's no crime.
Okay.
Right?
No, I know. I'm just taking my right to remain silent right now. Yeah. So I'm not going to answer any questions right now for you. So unfortunately, sorry.
Just do me a favor and don't, cuss at the manager and all that stuff.
I don't need your directives. I didn't do that, but tie your shoelaces so you don't trip. Make sure you put your seatbelt on when you drive.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Don't beat your boyfriend or your husband or your girlfriend. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time.
you as well. Bye.
Just be aware they just don't want you on the property. That's it. You can stand on the sidewalk and film.
Yeah, I
They
don't
just
need your
want you-
directives. I haven't gone on the property. I don't plan to.
I'm just telling you that.
Yeah,
just-
well, you don't need to. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect.
Put your seatbelt on when you drive. Don't go over the speed limit. Don't break any laws. Set a good example. Thank you. And there goes Newport Beach PD.
When officers lack a lawful basis for an investigation, but still try to steer the conversation, the right to remain silent and to maintain your boundaries in public space becomes your strongest protection. By requiring them to follow proper procedure, asking for their identification, and refusing any unnecessary directives, you remove every excuse for escalation and keep your personal rights firmly in control.
I don't know what I did.
I just told you, sir, you were speeding.
I was
And
not
you're an
speeding.
unsafe
I
start.
never went over 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, you did, sir.
At first, the man was stopped because the officer claimed he was speeding, even though he insisted he never went above 25 miles per hour. The interaction started calmly until the officer suddenly demanded that he step out of the vehicle without providing any clear legal reason or articulable basis for that order.
Yeah, you did, sir.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Where
I
you
never
headed to?
went over 25.
Where are you headed to?
What is that? I don't understand what any of that matters. If you're going to write me a ticket for speeding, then write me a ticket for speeding. We'll go to court.
I will.
Okay.
Okay.
But other than that, I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one more time to step out of the car.
Okay, I'll step out of the car.
Yeah, that's a really good decision you just made. Put your cigarette out.
Well, you're on a power trip, huh?
No, it's no power trip, sir.
Absolutely.
I'm just doing what the law allows me to do.
What law are you referring to?
The Michigan law, sir.
What Michigan law? Cite
Michigan-
the statute that you're referring to.
Michigan law requires you to step out of the vehicle when asked by an officer. Do you understand that law?
No, apparently I don't,
Okay,
because it doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist?
No, what probable cause do you have for having me to get out of the car?
Because I asked you to.
You asked. Is it a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, I'm asking you how. Why?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, what is your reasonable, articulable suspicion
Don't need one,
that
sir.
I've committed a
All
crime?
I can do is ask you to.
Right. I just asked you if you were asking me or telling me if there was a lawful order. You said that it was a lawful order, and now you're saying
is
that you were
lawful.
asking me.
It
Can you
is
get a
lawful.
supervisor out here, please?
No.
I'd like to speak with a sergeant.
Okay. This is the deal here. I'm going to go back and I'm going to run your name.
Okay.
I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you a chance to think about you getting out of the car.
I'm not.
No. You're going to
listen. Who are you talking to? You're not intimidating me.
I'm not trying to intimidate you,
If you're going to write me a ticket,
and then I'm going to ask you to get out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey.
And if you don't get out of the car, you're going to jail. Do you
For
understand?
what?
Do you understand?
For what?
Do you understand?
Deputy Lane,
you understand?
What have I done to create this hostile? I'm asking you to de-escalate.
Doesn't matter. Get out of the car.
Sir, I'm asking you what I did.
Sir, I'm not going to ask you again.
You're opening my car door and removing me for what, a speeding ticket?
I am asking you to get out of the car.
And I told you I would get out.
Then get out.
I don't understand why you're being this way.
Being which way, sir?
You're being hostile. You're not
hostile.
De-escalate, sir.
De-escalate. I'm not upset. What do I need to de-escalate?
Are you kidding me? You're threatening me?
No, it's not threatening.
Okay, listen.
Here's the deal, sir.
Can I ask you something?
Not till I'm done talking. Not till I'm done talking.
What is with your power trip?
Not till I'm done talking. It's not a power trip,
It is.
sir.
Why are you being authoritative over me? If you want to write me a speeding ticket, sir, go ahead.
Keep talking, okay? Keep talking and let me know when you're done.
I'm sorry.
You let me know when you're done. Keep your hands out of your pocket. You let me know when you're done, and then I will talk.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You're not getting interrupted anymore?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Michigan law requires you to get out of a police car when requested by a police officer.
Well, I wasn't in a police car.
I'm not done.
I wasn't in a
I'm not done talking.
You told me when
I said when I asked you to if you were going to be done talking so I could talk.
Sir, I was done talking.
Go ahead, you talk again.
I was done
Keep talking. Go ahead.
You just told me when you told me to get out of a police car. All I'm saying is
it's required by law, and you're not in a police car.
That's what I just said.
You are not in a police car, sir.
You just told me I was in a police car. When you tell me to get out of...
When you
sir, can you please help me out here?
No, nobody's going to help you out.
You said that
Go
when
ahead.
I'm
You
asked,
talk. Go ahead.
If you would stop, I would explain.
Oh, okay. I'm going to explain. Okay. You explain to me what the law is.
You just told me when I'm asked to get out of a police car, that I'm to get out.
When you're asked to get out of
what you said.
When you are asked to get out of your car by a police officer,
is your body camera
you
rolling?
are required to by law. Do you understand that?
I do understand what you're saying.
Perfect.
I don't agree with it, but I understand.
It doesn't matter if you agree with it or not, sir. It has no effect on it.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm glad you understand Michigan law. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Not a sip.
I don't drink at all.
You don't? Okay.
Nope.
Well, you're displaying behavior like you have.
No, I'm not. I'm on my way to work.
Where do you work at?
It's none of your business.
Where are you coming from?
It's none of your business
So
either.
you're displaying behaviors
No,
like
it's
that.
not. Why? Because I'm not bowing down to your attitude and your power trip?
It's not a power trip, sir.
It's exactly what it is.
No, sir.
No, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No,
I've been doing
I know a lot of cops.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
Been
and
doing
none
it for
of them act like you.
31 years, and I don't have the right mentality.
No.
You know more than I do.
No,
that's
not
for
what
sure.
I'm claiming. I'm not claiming that I know anything more than you. All
Well,
I'm
you
saying
seem
is
to.
You're being aggressive.
I'm being aggressive?
As soon as you
Do I look aggressive to you?
You start running your
Do I
siren.
look aggressive to you?
And then
Because
you,
you
tell me
weren't
to turn my
stopping.
car. You didn't have your lights on. All you had on were white lights.
Oh, we had our lights on, sir.
You had white lights on.
We had lights on, sir.
They were just white. There was
You
no red,
seem to
no
know
blue.
everything tonight.
I'm going to request your dash cam, your body cams, all of it.
Request
So it's
everything,
fine.
sir. It's all
I'm
open
going to go
to
right to Sierra.
It's all open
It's
to
fine.
follow. You're guys are throwing names out now.
No,
I know
I'm not
Sierra.
threatening anything.
I
Nope.
know cops.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm just saying that none of them act like you. I've never had this experience with a cop ever. Never.
Wow.
It's fine, sir. If you'd like to give me a ticket, I'll accept the ticket. I'll take it to court.
Of course.
It's fine.
Yep, of course.
It's fine.
Of course you will.
We got about another freaking 11 minutes, though, and this is unlawful. I mean,
oh, now we're unlawful?
yeah.
Okay.
There's a reasonable expectation for a speeding ticket, time frame, and all that
Oh,
stuff.
okay.
Just sitting here for no reason. If you
No,
want
I'm
to write
not
me a
sitting
ticket,
here
sir,
for
that's
no
fine.
reason. I'm letting you talk, sir.
I'm
You seem to
done
be.
talking. I just
Well,
wanna
you
be
say
on my
that
way,
several
please.
times, and you just keep talking.
Okay.
You under any narcotics right now?
Nope.
Nothing at all?
No, I don't answer questions. I'm done answering questions.
You ever been arrested before?
Like I said, sir, I'm done answering questions.
Okay, just stand right there for me.
Yep, absolutely.
outside the car though. Can you see if you can get an updated insurance? It's 11, 16, and 24. See if he has an updated one.
Yep. Do you have a updated insurance card on you in your vehicle? This one's expired, sir.
I got it on my phone if that's okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I apologize. I didn't want this to go this way at all. That guy, he's got an attitude problem. I don't know what the problem is. That's the Jeep. That's the other Charger.
I did not come up with a return on it. 4 Paul Nora 089.
5/16/25 expiration. 2006 Dodge Charger. Can I go check the VIN real quick?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Thank you.
You for being professional, sir.
That's a 2006 Dodge Charger, registered to Eva Michelle Kowalski out of Roscommon. Yes on that. Plates are good through November of 2025. Stand by for the name.
Here's that. I'll be just a second.
Is it okay? Can I just turn off my headlights so my battery doesn't die? It's not running anymore, and it's only 28 degrees.
Let me do that for you.
All right, it's the toggle on the left. Thank you.
Yep.
You got a ticket up here?
Huh?
Where's your ticket book?
It's right here, sir. The insurance? Yes, sir.
It says 2025 on it.
Oh, I thought.
5/16/25.
Oh, yep. Thank you, sir. It was current. The only thing that I thought was weird is that I checked the VIN because he showed me his insurance on his phone, and there's like a pink pouch that's jammed on the dash right where the VIN number is.
Plate in the back, Valley. You can tell me. You can have a seat in this car.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
You can go ahead and have a seat in your vehicle.
Oh, okay.
I know it's cold out here.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Mr. Kowalski, you're getting issued a violation this morning for a violation of the basic speed law. You can take care of it within 10 days at the county court of Crawford. All the directions are on the back, the court address and phone number on the front. Do you have any questions?
Not for you, thanks.
Okay. Make sure you have your seatbelt on, okay, sir?
The key issue here isn't the alleged speeding, but the officer's repeated attempts to expand his authority without citing the law. Meanwhile, the driver held a firm line, asking for the statute, asking for the legal basis, and declining non-required questions. That contrast makes the real problem unmistakable, whether the officer's demands were lawful and how the driver used his rights to keep the situation in check.
What's your name? Bad number. Okay, thank you. Am I free to go? I have not broken any laws. I just stated what my intentions are doing.
This video comes from the Paul Varela channel. He was on his way to the hospital when police stopped him without giving a clear reason. He asserted that he was acting lawfully, refused to answer questions, and asked to leave, which led to growing tension as more police units continued to arrive.
They're completely lawful. I'm going to the emergency room. You guys enjoy your day.
Are you hurt, Paul?
You guys enjoy your day. I don't answer questions. You don't think I've dealt with harassment issues before in the past?
I don't know. This could all be answered simply yes or no question. Are you off the probation?
Am I free to go? Am I free to go? Again. Am I free to go? I've been unlawfully detained for no apparent reason. Again, I don't answer questions. What's your name? What's your badge number? Call your sergeant down here. The gentleman here completely, for no apparent reason, stopped me. I told him what my lawful purpose is. I'm going to the emergency room. I'm going to the hospital. And they keep on harassing me. They keep on harassing me. And for no apparent reason, I'm unlawfully detained. Again, I don't answer questions. I just stated that.
We didn't say you were detained at any point.
My Fifth Amendment, again, I've studied law for years. You don't think I've dealt with harassment issues in the past? I've already invoked my Fifth Amendment.
Okay, well, just know if you are on probation, you do have to tell us if you are or not. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, then if that were the case, then call my probation officer.
So, I mean, you are on probation.
Oh, wow. 3 cop cars. Wow, Corona's Finest is out tonight. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, you guys are gonna go live right now too.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
If you're not detained, we should ask you a question.
No, I'm being held against my will. You guys are not allowing me to leave.
We already said you weren't detained.
I'm not detained?
We've said it 6 times.
Okay, you guys enjoy your day. Thank you.
We produced this video with the goal of providing accurate information and encouraging people to understand their rights so they can protect themselves lawfully and safely. We do not promote confrontation or any actions that could create unnecessary risk.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible. Hundreds of hours went into research and production, and I'm deeply grateful to the dedicated team who worked tirelessly behind the scenes.
Yeah, did they ask you to leave? I mean, you have every right to leave.
Yeah, so then why would I need to leave? I'm busy working right now, and I'll be done when I'm done.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Can I get your badge number, please?
Sure, it's 1590.
1590? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Is there a reason you want